Galing mo, ang ganda ng boses mo na ka. Ang ganda ng boses ng anak ko ah.
Papi. Papi. Wow.
Wait na nga, ang ganda.
Awi siya, awi.
Dinagdagan mo sa bawbing, kaka hindi ako kaunti repolyo.
Hindi ko.
Pag dinagdagan mo, higop ang sabaw.
Here's my brother playing games. Let's have a party here. And guys who like the video. Oh my god! That old wooden plank. Go ahead, race me with this pink motorboat. Chinky. Friends, come on in. Let me show you my incredible multi-purpose house. At first, this looks like a normal table, but look closely. It actually hides chairs inside.
This might look like an
Bagong-bagong
ordinary
harina.
staircase, but it can transform into a chair, too.
Even this shelf flips into a table. But the best part? The sofa. It easily turns into a bed. If you'd love to have something like this for free, these mods make Minecraft.
Mamatay, Beng? Hindi ah. Hindi ah, kakabili lang natin yan. Wala pa nga yung isang buwan. Abutin ng 3 months. Wala naman tayo niluto eh, di ba?
Goodness, look carefully. His hair has fallen out on its own. He's completely bald now.
Hey, Cheeky, your hair looks just like a horse's tail. From today, you're my little pony. And Cherry, your hair looks like big mushrooms. From now on, I'll call you...
Visitor out.
May sopas dito ba mo?
Sopas din.
Dito na lang si kami kumain eh. Kasi dito na
Ayun yung
kami.
dalawa lang. Ano yun? Oo.
Wala ka na. Ito na matawag-tawag na.
Kaya mga kinailas mo.
Kaya na to na ito.
Masyado na.
Kailan yung kanina ni? Ha? Ngayon kanina lang?
Oo. Nawalan na ano.
Ano ba?
Okay na to, mag-aalis din ko eh.
Ano? Bakit? Pagkano pa yun ila? Maano? Kaya mas ng price eh. Hindi namin kain ko gabi.
Ano nangyari yan?
Marap na sabay sa pasta.